Hey everyone, here to show you how I try and reuse plastic bottles where possible. I'm just going to show you the different things that I use just to give you a few ideas in the garden as to what to do with them. The best one that I like is to reuse plastic bottles. The top half is reused as a cloche and the bottom half is a little pot. So yeah, hope you enjoy this. Throughout the week I store any sort of pots or containers or plastic things that I think I can reuse. The only tip I will say is this is like what I used to have sea salt in. Don't put metal stuff in because it will corrode faster. So if you're going to put metal in, maybe use the pepper. I even keep all the plastic lids just in case I need them one day. And I'm just about to show you how I make these little pots with drainage holes, and then there's the leftover cloches. I even use herb jars. That's got some leftover native fertilizer in, bicarb soda, which I use for a few different things, Epsom salts in case there's obviously a magnesium deficiency. I store used plastic bags that I can reuse, scissors, pen, pegs, clips, plant labels, paper clips to close up my seeds. And then I've got a big stash that I'm keeping in here so that when I'm ready to sort of do a mass sowing one day, then I'm ready to go. And then of course, I reuse all of my pots that I buy from the nursery. These have all been sterilized, and obviously I plan on selling some plants one day, and when I do, I will be ready to go. So to make these into something cool, we're going to turn the top half into a cloche, and the bottom half is going to become like a little pot to plant seedlings in, or anything really. So all I do is first of all cut it in, not half, I actually do it about 3/4 of the way down. I want this bit to be as big as possible so that when I place the cloche over the seedling in my garden bed, then it's got room to grow. So here we go, just cut this now, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then just take off the little label thingy on it. I can get it, which I never can. There we go. My dog's chasing a mouse. All right, so this half becomes my cloche that I put over the seedlings. And then all I need to do now is put drainage holes in the bottom of this. So I've got the windows open and I've got the whole back door open, so it's well vented in here. Do wear a mask anyway, because it's got lots of chemicals. My mum and sister make these cool masks. They have a store called Clever Chickens and they're really, really good. Okay, so get your soldering iron. I don't know if it's hot enough yet, but if it is, you'll see it's just going to poke a hole straight through it basically. And looks good. So I just put them sort of on each little leggy thing at the bottom and one in the middle. And that's it. Oop, stuff coming out. That's it, it's easy. I hope you enjoyed that little tip.